What him say, Gaga, what him say? When him say them try sabotage him, me can't say a lie myself. And him say, him never say nothing about Shaggy with the sabotaging part. Him say Shaggy is a little bitch. Which, of course, we see in a recent times, Shaggy tells some man on a stage go suck out their mother. So it means that things can happen.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yo, check out the membership section because we have some stuff in there and thing. I try boss it. You understand? Alright, yo. This is Foota hype trying to explain why Popcaan diss Shaggy and Sharon Burke. But to be honest, me still confused and me still don't know the reason. One thing me do know though, Shaggy is a pussy hole. You understand? Although him give back millions through him charity for Bustamante, Shaggy is a pussy. Cause me did have a brethren we go up on tour with Shaggy. And the man no get no money. That time when him bust with Bombastic. And when the man drive go up a Shaggy house, Shaggy them studio there, in a half or 3 year there, Shaggy run the man from half of the property. Same Cara Leak Island them thing there. So, and me know some Antiguan youth from Antigua, them they there New York, Terry Tegan, and you have a youth named Badger Dread, and them man they used to spar with Shaggy, you know. And when Shaggy bust, Shaggy forget all of the blood clot man them. Cause him did in the Bronx, Shaggy did there. With that said, may I play the rest of the interview here and maybe you can understand what Foota say. But me not defend Popcaan, but me know say Shaggy a pussy.
So Popcaan is not a normal artist. We can't take away that from Popcaan. So for Popcaan, turn on him live or him Instagram. KJ is a bucket. Pick up yourself. So in order for Popcaan, turn on him phone, you know. See? And DISS Sharon Burke. See? And DISS Shaggy. Remember, Shaggy is our biggest dancehall artist based on record sales and the places he's been, and we not have to get into all of that. See? So Popcaan think about it million times. Remember 3 days ago the show keeper or 4 days ago. So Popcaan think about it. Kima Wagwan. The whole Fletcher's land. See? Yo, Deebs Lennox, just quiet now. You can't tell me say Popcaan wrong. You know Popcaan? Are you keep the show? Your name Sharon Burke? Your name Shaggy? The only way we can say Popcaan wrong. We have to hear Sharon Burke's side of the story. We have to hear Shaggy's side of the story. And we have to hear the full story from Popcaan. Because I know Popcaan didn't say much. See? What me can say though, me give Popcaan props to speak out. Cause me know Sharon Burke for decades. Mataran and her are the closest thing. Mataran and her create fully loaded and dominate the world if fully loaded. And Mataran Bonner out all the time, them cuss, them not agree them. We know Sharon Burke. You understand? Shaggy and my brethren. Me and Shaggy link. We not par like that, but we link. He respect me, him show me love anyway him see me and think. But that still no mean say Popcaan and him not have a problem. Everybody in a music have them little flaws or them little ways. You understand? Popcaan say one thing. What him say, Gaga, what him say? When him say them try sabotage him, me can't say a lie myself. And him say, him never say nothing about Shaggy with the sabotaging part. Him say Shaggy is a little bitch. Which, Of course, you see in a recent times, Shaggy tells some man on the stage go suck out them mother. So it means that things can happen when make you lose character and make you say disrespectful things. So as me I say to you again, Casey Niles buy some badges. Casey, you ready to go live today or you not ready? So what I'm trying to say to you is, Popcaan take 3 days or 4 days to come live, come do this. Him put whole heap of thought into it. Him think about what him do before him do it. Him know what gonna happen when him say it. So if it's something we could have overlooked or something we could have ignored, him wouldn't say it. Because I will think what Popcaan speak about and him not address. See? So, based on what me hear from the street now, because you know, I hear say me worker from in Jamaica. Me hear say, one internal thing I go on now with Sharon Burke and Sharon Williams, and I work I left from Sharon Burke and I work Sharon Williams. Sharon Williams I work with Popcaan. BAT Popcaan allegedly, because I don't know the truth, and speaking of a hearsay, Popcaan allegedly must tell Sharon say, if Valiant and TJ up on the show, him no want to do the show. Allegedly. I am not speaking from me knowing. Allegedly. Remember when you don't hear me, I thought I know something I know. I am talking hearsay right now. Okay? So, because him create all the problem, me use a certain money with them offer him. Him never want the next money with them again. And him stick out to a certain figure. See? And Sharon never liked that either. So, it's a bag of little riffag one. So I don't know what was said or what was done or what one. But obviously Popcaan feel hurt. And obviously Shaggy have something to do with the whole of that something, yeah. Which I don't know, because me kind of surprised when me hear him beat Shaggy bad. But again, Shaggy and Sharon Burke are so. So me don't know what going around the scenes. Or, you know what I mean? It deeper than the whole of it. So, we can't jump up and say, Papi wrong. For what I say when we don't know what them do Papi. You understand? Sharon Burke has yet to come forward. Shaggy has yet to come forward. And Popcaan still has yet to tell us what the sabotage was. So we, as the fans, still out in the open. And we can't move forward with just hearsay and speculation. You understand what I'm saying? That short boss by some badges big up. So what me I say is, we have to just sit and wait. Yeah, but you see, me see I gotta jump up and say Popcaan no want to work with you. That is hearsay, we don't know if it's true. That's what I'm saying to you. So we cannot jump to conclusion and ready to crucify and ridicule and tear down. You understand me? I say we have to wait and see how it play out. Cause Shaggy, me think say Popcaan call you a bitch is very disrespectful. But me don't know what you do him to him publicly come say that. So here I know Shaggy. If you want to join the live, you can join the live and tell you what I go on. Because on stage I gotta ask you. So my big platform them I gotta ask you and you gotta tell them. And you gotta talk. And me and you bridging. And my live if you join and come tell me. And keep it real. Zine? Real crew must buy a badge, big up. Or Sharon Burke, whole work we do together over the years. Zine? I don't know if you join the live and come talk, if Kelly call, if you join the live you might do it. So go and look at local social media person the strength and make we sort out this, because me are the streets. Whether I like it or not, me are the king of the streets. Me are king of this viral thing here. So make we understand what I go on. Me and Popcaan a really deal. But if you want to join the live, clear the ear, we can do that too. Because at the end of the day, and music, the people them want to know what really going on. Because in the public space, it don't look good. It don't look good. And I like how Khalid and Sizzla, I kind of have an understanding of what Khalid go on with we can know saying did a style of thing from long time. And our brethren but him style of thing. This now we don't know nothing we are going with this. You understand? We don't know.